In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new additional calendar in New Outlook. If you're juggling work, personal plans, or a specific project, creating a separate calendar is a simple way to stay organized and keep your schedule clear at a glance. I'll walk you through it step by step so nothing gets missed. Start by opening your web browser, heading to Google, and searching for Outlook. In the results, click the official Outlook website to open Outlook on the web. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and switch to Calendar. That icon takes you from your inbox to your scheduling view, where you'll set everything up. In the Calendar view, look for the Add Calendar option, typically found in the left panel above your list of calendars. Click it, then choose Create Blank Calendar. This gives you a fresh calendar that stays separate from your default one, so events don't mix and you can filter them easily later. It's the best choice when you want a brand new space rather than importing or subscribing to someone else's calendar. Next, name your calendar. Keep it clear and specific. Something like family, fitness, or project planning works great. Good naming makes it easy to spot in your list and prevents confusion when you're toggling multiple calendars. Now pick a color. Color coding isn't just for looks. It helps you scan your week and instantly know what's what. Choose a shade that's distinct from your other calendars, so events are easy to tell apart. After that, choose a charm, which is a small icon shown with the calendar name. A simple, relevant icon makes your calendar stand out, especially if you keep more than one visible. When everything looks right, click Save. Outlook will create your new calendar and add it to the list on the left. To view the new calendar, go back to the calendar list. If you want to focus only on the new one, uncheck your old calendar and check the new calendar. That hides everything else, so you can build out events without distraction. If you decide to compare schedules later, just recheck other calendars, and Outlook will show them together, each in its own color. And that's it. You've added a clean, additional calendar in New Outlook. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Keep a consistent color scheme across related calendars so your brain learns the pattern, and revisit your calendar list occasionally to rename, recolor, or remove calendars you no longer use. A tidy list makes planning faster and less stressful. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.